Oh, hello. So, your two favourite Irish YouTubers are back in action. So today, today, me and Laura are working, but we're working from the probably best location in Ireland you could work in, which is Doolin, County Clare. Woo! So we're going to shoot something there, but I'm just going to bring you along because why not? Lovely town, lovely weather. Let's go.
You can't see because the windscreen is.
Yeah, I don't want to show
shot.
you. There's like dead flies all over it. I'll show you this way. Blue skies. Okay, see you Doolin. So we're two well-travelled van lifers, and today a van let us down.
Why?
So we've broken down.
Usually 15 minutes from where we need to be as well.
Yeah, we're just outside Cliffs of Moher. I met my future husband down in Cliffs of Moher. Do you know that reference?
Oh, I thought you were saying that. I was like, where?
If you know that reference, you know. But anyway, huh?
Cottage?
No, Dahi. You know Dahi, the DJ? Look up Dahi Mary's Introduction. Beautiful song.
I met my future husband down in Cliffs of Moher, and I fell in love with him.
What about the place to be broken down though? Isn't this fabulous? Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Claire is getting a lot more entertainment out of this than I am. I'm like, I might be owing thousands, Sarah.
Yeah, I'm actually having a great time. I'm just happy to be here, you know what I mean? Look at the cows. I look like such a tourist right now. So, we're on foot now. We're staying in Doolin for the night as Laura's van is getting fixed tomorrow morning.
At least they're doing it.
They're doing it. We were told it might be a 2-week wait, but it's going to be done by tomorrow.
Hopefully.
But our next problem is that like all the hotels in Doolin are booked, so we're now have nowhere to stay tonight. So we're walking around to all the lodges to see who can house us for a night.
If you know anyone, even though this video will be well gone by now, let us know.
Send your recommendations. This is our next program. That Laura's just murdered.
Hey! Not intentionally.
But she tried to avoid them. There's just not much we can do about it right now.
She tried to avoid them, she couldn't see them.
Shake your head to anything, to anyone. Ooh, when you're lost and you'll get found, just wait a while. Ooh. I guess that what they say is true. The best intentions can be cruel. You love someone, you hate someone. You're not enough, you are enough. And I know you know the cost of letting go. Is it worth it? Nothing's perfect, you don't even wanna know. Lean on your friends.
So I'm staying in the most gorgeous Airbnb in Leitrim tonight. Now it's not where the weekend started, it actually started back in the van. So it's been quite a while since I've done a van trip, 6 months to be exact. So I was doing a van trip with my friend Will.
Hey.
In Leitrim for a long weekend, but as what happens in Ireland, it's been just raining the entire time. It's been grey, it's been gloomy, and it's been fine. We've gone for a swim and we've driven around and we've seen some sights, but we decided in just the wet, miserable weather, we just want a bit of extra comfort, so we've decided to scrap the rest of our van trip, and instead we ended up in this Airbnb. Now I'm going to give you a full tour in a minute, but just look around at what you see so far, because it's gorgeous and it's really relaxing. As soon as you come in, you can feel the relaxing vibes. So I'm going to have the chillest night of my life, and if you stick around, you'll get to as well. This is like the cottage core Airbnb of your dreams, and I have to show you the bathroom. What the hell? Everything about this place.
Maybe we can find each other in between the trees. And maybe when I see you, you'll be smiling back at me.
So essentially,
Now you won't know this unless you follow me on Instagram, but I stay in a lot of really cool places. I'll link some of them below, but this has to be one of the coolest places I've stayed ever. A lot of the time I stay in like glam sites and stuff like that, but like this is like a proper cottage. The host has like added, they're just the most beautiful touches. She said she just likes adding stuff to it, and you can tell. But when you walk in the door, like the smell is incredible, and you can just walk around forever just looking at all the bits. It's so cool. I found the entire tales, or the full book of tales. That's not what that's called. What do you call this? The complete tales of Beatrix Potter. So I know what I'm doing this evening. The really cool thing about staying here is there's stables with horses, obviously. What else would you have in the stables? But look, they're just right beside where you pull in. So we've left the confines of Leitrim County. We've come to Sligo, to Ross's Point for a swim, because it's just a bad time of the month and I'm absolutely like an old divil, and Will has to put up with me, and he decided there's nothing better for it except to drag me into the ocean. That's the only thing that works a little bit. Is that right?
yes.
Still grey and raining, but like we're gonna get wet anyway. So that's what we're doing for now, and then we've got something really exciting planned next. What is it, Will?
What's the secret?
About going to the beach is finding like fossils in the rocks. And look what I just found. I don't know what this is, but it's a full fossil. Like the whole thing is exposed. Look at this fossil, right? It's like, look, it's exposed. Like that whole thing is a fossil. So it's April, which is the coldest time of the year really to get in the sea here, because the sea like warms up until like September, and then it gets cold consistently over the whole winter. So now it's been storing up all that cold temperature for months, and as you can see from the colour of my skin, it's very cold, but you never regret a swim. You look very majestic.